In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money through your PayPal email account, all in just about 5 minutes. Sending money through PayPal is incredibly simple and convenient, making it a favorite for many people around the globe. Whether you're sending money to a friend, paying for a service, or handling other transactions, PayPal provides a secure and quick platform to do so. Let's dive right in. To get started, you'll need to navigate to the PayPal homepage. Open your preferred web browser and type in the web address for PayPal. Once you're there, you'll be greeted with a clean interface that easily guides you to various functions. Next, you'll want to locate the Login button. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the home page. Give it a click and you'll be taken to the login screen. Here, you'll need to enter your login details. If you have multiple accounts, ensure you're logging into the correct one. Once you've entered your credentials, you may be prompted to verify your identity with a text message. PayPal offers this additional layer of security to help protect your account from unauthorized access. You can choose to receive a text message via WhatsApp or your regular messaging app. Simply click on Get a WhatsApp text or Get a text and follow the instructions to complete the verification process. After passing through this security checkpoint, you'll be redirected to the main page of your PayPal account. From here, navigate to the Send and Request tab. This section is your gateway to sending money, requesting money, and even splitting bills. As you click it, a new prompt will appear for the recipient's details. In the recipient details section, you'll need to enter the email address of the person you wish to send money to. Ensure that the email address is correct, as any errors could result in your money being sent to the wrong account. After entering the email, you'll be prompted to enter the amount you wish to send, along with an option to add a note. This note is particularly useful if you want to specify the purpose of the transaction or send a message to the recipient. Finally, review all the details you've entered. PayPal will give you a summary of your transaction, including any fees that may apply. Once satisfied, simply hit the Send button. You'll receive a confirmation email detailing the transaction, and you're done. That's all it takes to send money using your PayPal email account. With a few clicks, you can securely and swiftly send funds to nearly anyone, anywhere in the world. This tool is ideal for personal use and small business transactions alike, ensuring your payments are efficient and hassle-free. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.